Hi you guys, it's me NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you with some symptoms of dry skin and how to treat or how to take care of dry skin. If you are interested in seeing this video, then keep watching. For those of you that are just stopping by and that do not know me, I am NeeCJae. I am 49 years old. I have bone dry skin. Not just dry skin, I have bone dry skin. Okay, so and during this time, during the winter, my skin feels even drier sometimes. But let me tell you, just give you some ways to take care of dry skin. But the first thing I want to do is just give you a little bit of symptoms. Sometimes you may not know that you have dry skin, but these are some of the symptoms or some of the things that I hear people deal with dry skin, and some of the symptoms that I have having dry skin. The first thing, sometimes you may see little scalings on your skin. Like when you have dry skin, you know, when you apply your makeup on, you may see little flake, little dry patches. Your skin may feel really tight, just that tight feeling. No matter, even when you use moisturizers, your skin just feels tight. Okay, these are some indications that you may have dry skin. Okay, so let me just go over some steps and just how to treat or take care of dry skin. These are things that I do with my dry skin, and especially during this time of year, my skin will tend to get dry. So the first thing I want to talk about is drinking water. I try to drink at least 6 to 8 bottles of water a day, and I'm talking about 16. Let me show you. Fluent ounces. I try to at least drink that. I do not like water, but I force myself to drink water because your body is made up of water. So anytime your body just feels dehydrated, you may want to start adding water into your diet. Okay, I'm not a doctor or anything. I just know water is very good for your body. We're made up of water, so drinking water helps. It not only helps your skin, it helps your hair, your bodily functions. Okay, drinking water helps to eliminate excess water and anything that's in your body that does not need to be. It just flushes your body out. So drink water. Okay, the second thing that I want to talk about is using mild facial cleansers. Mild cleansers that do not foam up, suds up. You do not want anything that's sudsy, because anytime that you have like foamy, sudsy, it strips the natural oils from your skin, and that's one thing that you're trying not to do, is eliminate oil. You do not want to eliminate the oils from your skin. So I will link a video that I do have for the best cleansers for dry skin. I'm going to link it right up here. You're cleansing your skin, washing your face. You want to also use lukewarm water. You do not want to use hot water on your skin. Lukewarm water, especially for dry skin. That goes for your body too. I'm a stickler for my body. I love to take hot baths. Now I still do that, and I moisturize my body as well, but for my face, I usually use lukewarm water. It helps to retain the moisture in your skin. So you want to cleanse your skin, but you do not want to use the hot water on your skin because it just really dries your skin out. Hot water just dries your skin completely out. So yeah, using lukewarm to cooler water, it will help to retain moisture basically in your skin. You want to try to use products that retain moisture, like products that may sometimes have lanolin in it. That helps to protect and keep the moisture in your skin. Hyaluronic acid helps, like the serum that I'm always raving about. Hyaluronic acid, it helps to retain that moisture in your skin. So I'm all about products that have hyaluronic acid in it, lanolin, things that say for dry skin to retain moisture. So try to use products for your skin type. You know, you want to use products that say for dry skin, and look for products, also look for the ingredients, I'll say, for like lanolin or hyaluronic acid, or products that just really help to aid in moisture. That's what you're looking for. You need that, especially with dry skin. Things that really help to keep that moisture in, okay? So especially as we get older, our skin gets drier. Now, everyone is not like that, because I've run into people that's older than me that have oily skin, and their skin is just oily, okay? I am not fortunate enough to have oily skin. I say fortunate because with oily skin, you look young forever, okay? Your skin just looks young and youthful forever. With me, I try to add that youthfulness, so that's why when I have a glow or my skin kind of looks a little oily, I do not mess with it at all, because I need that. Last but not least, certainly not least in my book, apply moisturizers. And I have a video that I'm going to link here for all of the moisturizers that I love for dry skin. Lately, I've picked up this one by Revlon. This is a new one that I've been trying. It says Revlon Eterna 27 All Day Moisture Cream. And this is, I bought this from, I think it was Target's or Walmart, one of those. I think it was maybe $10, but so far I love it. Let me just show you how this one looks. This is just one that I picked up, and I'm just trying it just to see. It says it helps with moisture for 24 hours, all day long moisture, so I had to try it. And you all also know I love my Pond's. This has lasted me so long, and it's only like $8 to $9, so I picked up another one just in case, because this one is almost gone. It lasts forever. I use it, so I had to pick up another one. I am all about some Pond's. Pond's is just so great. I love this. I just love this moisturizer for my skin, and it says for dry to very dry skin. Let me just show you the little print right there, if you can see that. It says for dry, very dry skin. I'm just telling you, this is so good. I use it all the time. There are some other high-end moisturizers that's really good, but I'm just telling you, Pond's is my baby. I use it all the time. I prefer it over everything, but I will link a video with all the moisturizers if you want to try them, or if you have tried them just for dry skin. That really helps my skin a lot. So that is actually all I have for you today. I hope this video is helpful in just really combating the dry skin, especially on your face and with your body as well. You just have to keep moisturized. Use lotion to moisturize your body, but your face is the first thing people see, so you really want to take really extra special tender loving care when it comes to your face. Okay, so anyway guys, thank you so very much for tuning in. As always, for my new subscribers, welcome. You are now part of the NeeCJae family. If you like these type of videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also click that notification bell, because anytime I upload a video, you would be the first one notified. Okay, so thank you guys. I just really do appreciate you so much, just taking time out of your day to watch me. Thank you so very much. I love you guys more than you know. Anyway, thank you so much again. Peace and love. Until next time. Bye.